Here we are, second day. So, cab's off, sitting on the hoist. While it's sitting like this, I think we're gonna try to yank the dash out right here. We gotta change all that. John said it's real easy.
Easy.
He gets to go home. So, yeah, we're gonna try these few bolts up and down both sides, across the bottom. We heard rumor that maybe this thing lifts out over top of the column. It remains to be seen. So, we're off. Okay, are we leaving this rug?
Oh, look at that!
Hey, more money!
Money! And not just nickels and dimes.
Oh boy.
For you guys in the States, we have
What the heck
Canadian
is this?
$2. Oh!
Any idea what that is?
Well, that's the fiber optics going to the satellite.
Kind of thinking I shouldn't Well, we'll see what that truck has. I don't think it has that.
No. So this looks like it should just detach to the sides.
Yep.
There's arrows pointing. Let's just see.
Is there a slot there to...
Yep, same, yeah.
What's it say?
Oh, that's the airbag control module.
Oh, okay. I wonder if her truck might have it.
It should have.
If
it's got airbags, it'll have a control
does.
module. Yeah.
So that's all right because these plugs are coming out, and I think these are coming out too because her seats don't have heaters.
Right.
And it's a different wiring harness.
Yeah, that's what I wondered, if we were going to have to change all of that.
And this thing here, and so I gotta look, there's the holes.
Yep.
So
Yeah, I bet you that's just the hole for the shifter right there.
yeah, they cut much bigger
Oh,
holes.
okay.
Again, I look at hers.
Yeah.
And I'm hoping this stuff plugs in the same. Where does it plug
See,
in?
I didn't clue in that this was airbags, so.
No, I expected yellow.
For you guys, yeah, I was going to say, for you guys watching at home, anytime you see yellow wires, they're airbags.
Except
The airbag is always yellow.
yellow plugs.
So never ever cut the yellow wire.
Especially if the battery's hooked up.
Yeah, or don't disconnect the airbags unless your battery's unhooked.
Right.
And don't reconnect them
Yeah, that's
with the battery hooked up.
right. Okay, well, I think our damage here, I mean, this is awesome. Now, that took us, what, two and a half hours?
Yeah, it really hasn't been that long. It's just, it was a bit of a struggle, but
Right. And now the other one will come out way easier because
now we know what we're doing.
Yeah, hire us. What the hell was this thing?
Yeah, that's the thing for the.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's probably the automatic shifter cable, isn't it?
Yeah.
The one in the column.
I don't know. I'm hoping her truck doesn't have that. Well, that looks like it hooks up to this.
Right. So yeah, it's the automatic shifter cable that went to the transmission.
I think it's cruise control.
It's definitely the cruise control.
No, wait. You're probably right. I haven't a freaking clue. Wait, is this a 1960 Chevy? Nope. So
Nope.
I haven't a freaking clue.
Yep.
Okay. So now I have to find out if the client wants to go with this rug or the other rug. What you doing, Lou?
Hey,
What are you doing?
turn off my music to start with. Just wire brushing the frame. Gonna paint it.
You're gonna paint it?
I'm gonna paint it.
I guess why not? Oh my word. Oh, that kind of looks like apprentice work.
Nah, you guys don't
No.
want me doing apprentice work, so.
No, she's helping me out in there. Helping us out. Look at this. New transmission. Wow. Far out. What's dripping? Oh. On here. Oh, right. There's a heater hose goes on there. Yes.
It's filled up with some water overnight.
Yeah. Yeah. Far out.
You see this?
And we have a new Julie box. Oh my word. Holy. Yeah, it was time for a new box. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't believe how many parts there are.
There's a lot.
There's parts everywhere around here.
Yeah, there's a lot.
You know, we could have put that body on.
Ew.
Far out.
Colby and I are just discussing now is the time.
A lift?
You're not supposed to.
No. No. Oh my word. It's tough enough getting a freaking truck without a freaking lift. Okay, our donor cab. No, this is the original cab. More to come. So, I think it's ready to come. Oh, there's something. Except for the part that's not. Okay. Oh, what do we got going here? It feels like it's hooked to the bottom.
I've got some kind of a ground strap here.
Oh, okay.
I need a 10 millimeter.
Okay, if you can hold it, I'll get you.
Yep.
What you need. Okay. I got the dash.
Just one more. Where are the bolts so long in this truck?
No kidding, right? Okay. Really mean it this time. Nope. Oh, what's going on? Oh, sorry, airbag plug. Piece of cake. Okay. And back against the rug there. Oh, wait. Oh, my word.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm just gonna unhook a couple things here too.
Okay. Oh, awesome. That's where they go. Now we can do the clutch pedals. Clutch pedals, you gotta take the e-brake off to get at the rest of these wires and climb up through here. We're leaving this box behind. It's a piece of cake now. Just gotta put it back together.
Yeah.
All right. And I'm putting away tools. We got all these beautiful jet tools. I'm gonna make damn sure the first lost tool isn't got my name on it. So I'm putting everything away. And then tomorrow, start again. Day 3. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, today the cab is gonna go on. We got the dash in. Right now, John and I are going to put the headliner in, plug the wiring in, and get all our upper upholstery on that holds the headliner up and in. And after that, Mike is going to give us a hand, and we're going to get the frame in here, lift it up, and set it down on the frame. Then, hey, it's just a couple of wires and lines to plug in. Will we drive it at the end of the day? Well, we'll see. But anyhow, that's what we're up to right now, so I'm just going to set this up somewhere and see if we can get this in. She's on. Got to tighten the bolts.
Screw up the wires.
It's incredibly simple, actually. Now that we're seasoned vets at this. But yeah, what a freaking riot. Next time I click on here, we'll have doors on it and everything. So that was fun. Well, it wasn't always fun. Right down to the bitter end, I was losing my mind. Anyhow, yeah, very good. I just lost an hour or so.
What happened?
Well, taking out this front cross member, 2 of the nuts that are welded into the factory position twisted off.
Oh, you should have had Colby here to do them.
What's that?
Should have had Colby here to do them.
I know. And it was the apprentice bolts, the one from underneath she did on the other cab. So I was doing these ones, and 3 of them twisted off from underneath. So I have a strap here. I had to spread the front of the truck to get this out because it slips inside both sides. And John had warned me, if you ever have to put one in, some technicians trim the end because it's so tough to get in. So instead of that, I winched over to that table hoping that it'll pull it over on the ground.
Obviously you didn't.
No, I didn't. Then I used a big giant piece of pipe and I pried this one back. So I've just got it sitting on top of the welder, new nuts in place, ready to weld it, and I went, oh my God, I need a mental health break. Because everything else, master cylinder's in, clutch is in, fuel pedals hooked up, battery box, the brain's in, and ABS is in. I mean, it's been going really well, and I'm just trying to work myself around, make sure I don't miss anything, and then jump into the cab. But this has cost me, you know, 3 little broken bolts, so far an hour and a half. But then I got to put it back in, and it never had to come out in the first place. But I had to take the bolts out to put these mounts, because this truck wasn't a diesel. So this is where you mount the AC condenser, etc. So other than that, I wouldn't have to take them out. Look at the cab to the box.
Look at the light tray.
Hey, that is the cab hood came with the cab.
No.
Well, I mean, what does the court of public opinion say? I mean, they kind of look like the same color. Okay, fine.
I could probably still find it in the Walmart parking lot though.
Yeah, because it's two-tone. No extra charge. Yeah. Oh God, it sounds like Kevin and Mike. Yeah.
Yeah.